OnePlus just did something impossible. While every other flagship is stuck at 5,000 mAh, the new OnePlus Turbo 6 just launched with a mind-blowing 9,000 mAh Glacier battery. And the craziest part? It's not a bulky brick. It's actually thinner than some iPhones at just 8.5 millimeters. Today we're doing a deep dive into the phone that officially just ended battery anxiety. Is this the ultimate mid-range disruptor for 2026? Let's find out. First, let's talk build. It features a metal cube deco design on the back with these aggressive golden R corners. It weighs 270 grams, which is heavy but balanced. This phone carries a quadruple rating IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K. The OnePlus Turbo 6 leads the new series, combining robust hardware with a massive battery pack. It sports a tall 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution, a 165Hz variable refresh rate, a 330Hz touch sampling rate, PWM dimming, DC dimming, and Oppo's Crystal Shield glass for protection. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4. Don't let the S fool you. With an Antutu score over 2.6 million, this thing is a beast. OnePlus paired it with a dedicated WindSpeed Edition chip and a Glacier cooling system to keep frame rate stable. In Call of Duty Mobile, this phone can actually hold a native 165 FPS. You can spec it with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.1 storage. Let's get back to that battery. 9,000 mAh is absurd. OnePlus claims you can watch 22.5 hours of video or game for over 10 hours straight on a single charge. Charging is handled by 80-watt Super VOOC. It's not the 150 watts we've seen before, but it still hits 50% in about 30 minutes, which is impressive considering the sheer size of this cell. It also acts as a power bank with 27 watts wired reverse charging. If your friend's phone dies, you can literally charge them faster than most standard wall bricks. Where did they cut corners? The cameras. You get a solid 50-megapixel Sony LIT600 main sensor with OIS, which is great for daily shots, but the secondary lens is just a 2-megapixel monochrome sensor. No ultra-wide, no telephoto. The front features a 16-megapixel shooter for selfies and video calls. Out of the box, the OnePlus Turbo 6 runs on the Android 16 OS-based ColorOS 16 custom skin. Other notable features include an IP69K rating for water and dust resistance, an in-display optical fingerprint sensor, an IR blaster, stereo speakers, dual nano SIM, NFC, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 6. Starting at roughly $320 in China, the Turbo 6 is an absolute steal for gamers and power users. It's essentially a portable gaming console that happens to be a phone. If you want a phone that literally lasts 2 days and plays every game at max settings, this is the new king of the mid-range. Would you trade a telephoto lens for a 9,000 mAh battery? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.